Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIBS Home School. This is Mahmud Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English Literature class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is Unit number 11, Reading Done, and we will also learn word meaning and make sentences from this unit. I repeat again, our today's topic is Unit 11. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 3, subject English Literature, topic Unit 11, Reading Done plus word meaning and make sentence. This is your lecture number 11 and your homework number also 11. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 11 and your homework number 11. And your homework will be for today's class word meaning and make sentence. Term Annual 2021, Teacher Mahmud Rahman, and this is my contact number. Okay. Unit 11, The Lost Camel. Unit 11, the title of the unit is The Lost Camel. At first, we will read the story and then we will do some exercise. This play is based on a Persian fairy tale and tells the story of a foolish and greedy king who sends away his wise ministers from his kingdom. In the end, the king realizes his mistake and rewards the ministers. There are three scenes, as it's a play or a drama. There are scenes, and there are three scenes in this story. The first one, scene 1, the ministers are waiting for the king. He enters excitedly. King, I have called you because I want money and men to build a fine new palace. Our neighbor, the king of Pachu, is building a new palace, so I must have one finer than his. Tell me how to collect more money from the people. The ministers look at one another. First minister, Sir, your people are mostly farmers. They will suffer if they have to pay more. Third minister, moreover, this is the season for plowing and sowing, and the farmers cannot leave their lands. Second minister, this is a fine palace, and you are a great and beloved ruler. Your people are happy. Let the king of Pachu build his new palace, sir. That means the three ministers disagreed with the wish of the king. So the king angrily, if you can't get me what I want, I shall rule without you. I dismiss you from my kingdom. The ministers live with sadness. In the scene 1, we have learned that the king wished to build a new palace as the neighboring king was building a one, but his wise ministers disappointed him by disagreeing his proposal. So he dismissed his ministers from his court. Now scene 2. The ministers are walking on the road leading out of the city. They notice a camel's hoof marks. Second minister, look, a camel has gone ahead of us on the road. A man comes along. Man, have you seen a camel anywhere? I have lost my camel. The third minister says, is your camel lame in one leg? The man, yes, he is. Second minister, is your camel blind in one eye? Man, yes, he is. First minister, was your camel carrying a load of honey and wheat? Man, happy and pleased, yes, that's my camel. Why did you see him? Third minister, we haven't seen your camel. Man, angrily, you know my camel as well as I do, and you say you have never seen him. If you don't give my camel back, to me, I will take you to the king. First minister, we will go with you. So in the second scene we can see that the ministers were going out of the city, and on the road they noticed the hoof marks of a horse, and then a man came to them and told that he has lost his camel. The ministers described the camel clearly as they have seen it, but actually they didn't see the camel. But the owner of the camel could not realize or could not believe when the minister said that they have not seen the camel. So he wanted to take the ministers to the king, and the ministers also agreed. Now scene 3. The ministers and the man appear before the king. Man, your majesty, these 3 men have stolen my camel. They know that he is blind in one eye and lame in one leg, and that he was carrying honey and wheat. Yet they tell me they have never seen him. First minister, but sir, we have not seen this man's camel. King, you should be ashamed of yourselves for telling such lies. How can you describe the camel so well if you have never seen him? First minister, we are speaking the truth. We have not seen the camel. As we were walking along the road, we noticed several things. Now the second minister says, we noticed a camel's hoof marks on the road. 3 of those marks were always clear, but the 4th wasn't. So we could tell that the camel was lame in one leg. Now the third minister says, some animal had nibbled the leaves on one side of the road and had not touched the leaves on the other side. So he knew that the camel was blind in one eye. Here the word nibbled means eaten something in small bites. First minister, there were many flies on one side of the road and a few grains of wheat on the other. So he thought the camel must have been carrying honey and wheat. King, to the man, these men are truly wise. They have not seen your camel. You must look for him yourself. Now the king is talking to the ministers. I must give you a reward and not punish you. I cannot lose such wise men. Please stay at my court and help me rule my people wisely and well. So dear students, this is the end of our story, The Lost Camel. There are 3 scenes, and from this story we have learned the wiseness of the ministers of a king. Now we will learn some word meaning and make sentence. Word meaning: beloved. Beloved means loved by all. Lame, meaning not able to walk properly. Noticed, meaning saw something. These are the 3 word meanings, and now we will learn 3 make sentences. Number 1, ruler. The king was a beloved ruler. Number 2, dismiss. The king dismissed his ministers. Number 3, notice. They noticed a red car on the road. So my dear students, these word meaning and make sentences will be your HW or homework for today's class. Your homework number 11 will be word meaning and make sentence. I repeat again, your homework will be word meaning and make sentence. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. For your better understanding, you must read the text yourself, and if you have any question or further confusion, you must contact me. Watch the YouTube classes, attend the online classes regularly, and of course try to attend the physical classes. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.